Hi, I'm Graham Ward, Chairman of Straaltechniek UK Limited.
I'm the Managing Director here at Straaltechniek.
At Straaltechniek UK we supply shop blast equipment to the surface preparation industry, including machines, spares, servicing, as well as fabrication services and many other things.
My journey, I left school at the age of 16, where I didn't get fantastic results. I was one of the lucky ones at the time to get an apprenticeship in the fabrication and welding engineering industry. So I did the 4-year apprenticeship scheme. I went from a service engineer and then more office based, where I was the production director. From production director, I went to the managing director.
I like the idea of an apprenticeship because it meant that I could learn about what I was doing and further my career. The first interview I went for was successful, and I did an MVQ whilst learning about the job and actually getting paid to do the job.
We've got a team of CNC machine operators. We've got paint sprayers for spraying the machines up once they are finished, as well as all the critical office workers from finance, purchasing departments, where you go out and purchase the spare parts from our suppliers, from labouring on the shop floor, van driving.
It goes from welding to fabrication, to using the plasma machine, to using the saws and the grinders and the drills.
So from anything really, from sweeping the floor right up to senior management. Qualifications here at Straaltechniek, yes, they are important. Yes, it makes life a little bit easier when you leave school with good qualifications, but it's not the be-all and end-all, because there's opportunities after school. We work with local training providers to give us the training our guys need here. So whether it's forklift training, cherry picker training, finance, accountancy coursing, etc., etc.
The company expects being early, being polite to people, working as a team member. Team members are so important.
You have to be interested in engineering. You're at work a long time. To me, it's not just a job, it is a career. Yes, you get your good days, you get your bad days, but all in all, you've got to be interested in the engineering.
My first day at Straaltechniek was very daunting because I was 16 and I'd just come from school, so I had no work experience at all. However, my friendly colleagues did make it much easier for me.
We work at Straaltechniek UK as a team. We're like a little family, and we all have to integrate into each other's departments, whether it be the machine shop, the fabrication department, the paint shop, the warehouse. We've all got to interlink with each other as we're like cogs, and we all join together to achieve the goal, which is making these blasting machines for our customers.
The best part of my job is the variety. No day is the same. One day I could be booking in staff training, the next day chasing customers, the next day doing the management accounts.
Since starting working here, I have achieved so much. I feel like I have definitely changed as a person in the past 6.5 years.
Happy customers at the end of it all, that's the main goal. And yes, there's problems along the way, but the challenges, they're not problems to me, they are challenges, and how we overcome the challenges. And at the end of it all, we see a product, what we are proud to make here in Sheffield. To get it out to the customer, it makes a massive difference to the customer's production.
Training is available for people coming to the company without qualifications. It's so important long term for when you leave this company that you gain some kind of qualification alongside the experience that we try to give.
We've had some quite successful apprentices come from fabricators to machinists, where they've done the full apprenticeship trained college courses. We normally do it on a day release basis, so they are earning while they're learning.
In the beginning of my role, I was able to do training in Sage software for the accounting, and then at the beginning of last year I was also approached to be able to take over HR.
Since starting at the company, I have completed my administration apprenticeship and I've got my qualifications for that. I have then moved up from the administration side of things into an internal sales manager role, which I oversee the internal sales side of the business.
This job has made me realise that you don't have to go to university to be able to do the job that you want to do. My plan was to go to university, which changed at the last moment, and I've been able to achieve in a short space of 2 years what I probably wouldn't have achieved in 3 years at university.
First of all, do your research. Make sure it is engineering where I get to. There's different sectors of engineering, different industries of engineering. Like I said, here we do the fabrication, we do the machining, paint, spraying, but behind all the scenes of that is the purchasing department, the finance department, all working together to create an engineering company.
Careers are long and it could be in various different sectors. It could be hands-on, it could be based in an office, it could be doing what I'm doing, going out seeing customers. Find what you're interested in and give 100%.
I was expelled from school at 16 and with no qualifications, and I think it's so important for any new person coming into this company to understand that if they want to achieve something, anything is possible. And it would have been much easier to have worked hard at school, gaining some qualification at school, instead of all the hard work that I had to go through.
My advice, and I hope you're going to listen to this as I tell you, my advice to you is to get your head down, get your books out, study, listen to your teachers, because this is what it's all about. Believe me, I've been in your position. If you don't listen, you will leave school not knowing what to do. You can do it, but you must study, get your head down, listen, and you can achieve it. Your goals that you want. If you want the nice things and luxury things in life, like nice cars, clothes, jewellery, houses, holidays, they will not give it you. You have got to go out there. I know people can do it. I've done it, so I know you guys can do it.